What is the powerhouse of the cell? The correct option is B. DNA replication occurs in which phase of the cell cycle? The correct option is C. S phase. Which of the following is not a component of the cell membrane? What is the basic unit of heredity? Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Which nitrogenous base is found only in RNA? Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Which of the following is the largest organ in the human body? What is the primary function of white blood cells? Which blood group is known as the universal donor? ये आपको कमेंट में बताना है। 9 क्वेश्चन आप पढ़ेंगे, 1 क्वेश्चन आपको कमेंट में बताना है। Which gas is taken in during photosynthesis? Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? What is the main excretory product in human? What type of bond hold DNA stand together? ये आपको कमेंट करना है, प्लीज लास्ट में कमेंट करें। Which enzyme breaks down proteins in the stomach? Which organ stores bile? Which type of immunity is passed from mother to child through breast milk? Where does fertilization normally occur in humans? Which kingdom do mushrooms belong to? Which part of the flower becomes the fruit? Which of the following causes malaria? What is the normal pH of human blood? Which cell organelle is known as the suidical bag? Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and share with your friends. See you.